Alex. Alex. Hey, Addison. Run away. Can you guys run away? Run away, Alex. I'm going to get you. I'm going to get you. Go over with Addison. Go, 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 go. Come here. Hey, go over there. Now, come here.
Hey, watch out.
Come here, Alex. Oh. Okay, go that way. I go over to the windows and see if I'll follow you. Whoop. Get up, bud. Slow down. Can you get up, Alex? Whoops.
Me.
Okay, you don't need to get right in the thing.
Oh, Addie, don't run into the window like that.
Me.
Go to the windows with Alex. Gentle.
You recording?
Yeah. Alex, come here. One more time. Come here. Whoa! Alex.
That's for my picture.
Alex. Oh, okay. You're gonna